can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Let's take a lot of paperwork. Okay, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Never seen this house before. Just hold on right there. That'll make
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the port. Hey, Minnie. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Minnie, let's take that runaway train!
Hooray, hooray, hooray. Jump right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them moving all over
Well, no, we're in a drain.
Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in.
gathering right around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Please make sure all railroad riders are fully seated underneath the lap bar at all times. Once again, please make sure all children are fully seated and underneath the lap bar at all times.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.